Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Philips Baristina Espresso machine represents a significant shift in the home coffee market by focusing on a concept that many manufacturers have struggled to perfect, which is the balance between the quality of a manual espresso and the absolute ease of a pod system. This machine is built around the idea that real espresso should be accessible to everyone without requiring a massive learning curve or a messy kitchen counter. It is an all-in-one system that handles the most difficult parts of the espresso process, including the grinding of the beans, the precise measurement of the dose, and the pressure of the tamp. By integrating these steps into a single mechanical motion, the machine allows users to enjoy the benefits of freshly ground coffee with the same level of effort usually reserved for inserting a plastic capsule. The core of the experience is the ability to produce a robust flavor from whole beans using a 16-bar pump, which ensures that the water is pushed through the coffee grounds with enough force to extract the essential oils and create a genuine crema. It is a streamlined solution designed for the modern kitchen, where time and space are often at a premium, but the desire for a high-quality beverage remains a priority. When looking at the build and design of this model, specifically the white version with the mango-colored portafilter handle, it is clear that aesthetics played a major role in its development. The machine features a very compact footprint, which is one of its most appealing physical attributes. In a world where many espresso machines are large and intimidating industrial-looking appliances, the Baristina is intentionally minimalist and approachable. The white finish gives it a clean and bright appearance that can easily blend into various kitchen styles from modern to traditional. The mango-colored handle on the portafilter adds a pop of personality and a touch of warmth, making the machine feel more like a piece of home decor than just another kitchen tool. Despite its small size, the construction feels sturdy and the materials are chosen for durability. The interface is stripped down to the essentials, avoiding complex screens or a confusing array of buttons. This simplicity in design reflects the simplicity of its operation. The water tank and the bean hopper are integrated seamlessly into the body, maintaining the sleek profile while still providing enough capacity for several drinks before needing a refill. It is a design that respects the user's space while still delivering the mechanical power needed for proper espresso extraction. The way this machine performs is where the true value lies for most coffee drinkers. The defining characteristic of the Baristina is the swipe mechanism. To start the process, you simply move the portafilter handle in a swiping motion and the machine takes over from there. It automatically activates the internal grinder to process the beans right before brewing, which is the single most important factor for flavor quality. Once the beans are ground, the machine doses them into the basket and applies the correct amount of tamping pressure. This matters because consistency is the hardest thing to achieve when making espresso at home. If the tamp is too light or the grind is too coarse, the coffee will be weak and watery. By automating these variables, the Baristina ensures that every shot is consistent with the last. The 16-bar pump pressure is also a critical performance feature. While 9 bars is the traditional standard for espresso, having a 16-bar system provides the extra headroom needed to maintain consistent flow even if the grind size or bean density varies slightly. This results in a full-bodied espresso with a rich flavor profile that is significantly better than what you would get from pre-ground coffee or a standard drip machine. The entire process is designed to be fast and clean, allowing someone to go from whole beans to a finished drink in a matter of seconds without having to deal with loose coffee grounds on the counter. This machine is best suited for a specific type of coffee lover. It is ideal for the person who has been using a pod-based system like Nespresso or Keurig and wants to upgrade their coffee quality without losing the convenience they have grown used to. It is also a great choice for those who are environmentally conscious and want to move away from the waste of single-use plastic or aluminum pods, as using whole beans is a much more sustainable way to enjoy coffee. Because of its compact size, it is an excellent fit for people living in apartments or for use in small office spaces where a full-sized espresso machine would be too bulky. It also appeals to the busy professional who wants a high-quality caffeine fix in the morning but does not have the time to master the art of manual tamping and milk steaming. For a household where multiple people have different levels of interest in coffee, the Baristina works well because it is simple enough for anyone to use while still providing the fresh bean flavor that a more discerning coffee drinker appreciates. At a price point of roughly $330 at the time of writing, it represents a significant investment, but one that can pay for itself over time when compared to the high cost of individual coffee pods. In a balanced closing thought, it is worth noting that while the Philips Baristina excels at convenience and consistency, it is a machine designed for a specific purpose. It does not offer the granular control over temperature or grind settings that a hobbyist barista might look for in a more expensive manual setup. However, for the vast majority of people who simply want a great tasting cup of espresso with the push of a button or the swipe of a handle, it hits a very sweet spot in the market. It eliminates the mess and the guesswork of traditional espresso making while preserving the superior taste of freshly ground beans. The combination of a stylish compact design and reliable performance makes it a strong contender for anyone looking to simplify their morning routine without compromising on the quality of their coffee. It is a practical, well-built appliance that delivers on its promise of making real espresso simple, and it does so with a level of style that makes it a welcome addition to any kitchen counter. For those who value their time as much as their coffee, the Baristina offers a compelling middle ground that focuses on what truly matters for a great daily cup. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.